Do you need custom Barinder Grinder fixtures? Anderson Global can help. We have the expertise needed to design and build fixtures to position castings in a standard way on Sinto America's Barinder Grinder machines. Our design process uses the 3-2-1 principle of location, 6 points, to constrain the movement in a casting and allow for repeatable fixturing. We have developed a 3D design model that uses standard components for weldments, posts, and locators. This means that your fixtures will be built around some core components that we stock, which will give you a foundation of a standardized manufacturing process. This makes programming and process development as simple as possible. We would love to quote your custom Barinder Grinder fixtures. Reach out to us at salesteam@andersonglobal.com or learn more at www.andersonglobal.com. And if you like this content, please click on the thumbs up, share it, and follow our LinkedIn page. See you next week.